Hello and welcome to today's video. Procurement is one of the most critical functions in business today. Every company needs resources, materials, or services to operate, and procurement ensures they get the right things at the right time and price. What exactly is procurement, and why is it important? Let's break it down step by step. Procurement is not just about buying things. It is a strategic process that involves planning, supplier sourcing, negotiation, and risk management. Let's take an example. Imagine you own a large retail company like Amazon. Every day you need millions of products delivered to customers worldwide. Without efficient procurement, suppliers could fail, costs could skyrocket, and customer trust could be lost. Now let's explore the procurement lifecycle. Step 1. Identifying business needs. Companies determine what goods or services are required for their operations. Step 2. Sourcing suppliers. Finding and evaluating vendors who meet quality, cost, and reliability expectations. Step 3. Negotiation and contracting. Procurement professionals negotiate the best terms and ensure clear contracts. Step 4. Order management. This step involves tracking shipments, managing delivery schedules, and handling unexpected delays. Step 5. Supplier performance and evaluation. Every supplier is reviewed based on cost, quality, and on-time delivery. Now, here's the big question. What happens when procurement is not managed properly? Companies can face three major risks. 1. Supplier failures. Unreliable vendors delay operations. 2. Budget overruns. Unexpected costs impact profitability. 3. Compliance risks. Violating legal and ethical procurement standards can lead to financial or reputational damage. To prevent these risks, procurement teams use strategic planning and advanced tools. This helps businesses reduce costs, improve supplier reliability, and gain a competitive advantage. Did you know? More than 50% of companies report that poor procurement planning leads to wasted budgets and inefficiencies. Organizations that optimize their procurement strategy can save millions each year. Companies that invest in AI-driven procurement systems save an average of 15 to 20% on costs annually. Technology is changing procurement, and businesses must adapt. To sum it up, procurement is not just about purchasing. It is a key business function that directly impacts supply chains, cost efficiency, and business growth. In our next video, we'll explore procurement planning and strategy, where we'll discuss how companies create long-term procurement roadmaps to maximize efficiency. Subscribe now and stay tuned for our next video in this series, Procurement Planning and Strategy.